too busy to see you again. I've been too busy to call, but I always imagine when things settle down, I'd go and see you after a while. But last night I heard on the radio, fate's made a change in my plans, though always expected to see you again. I can see now it's out of my hands. 'Cause gosh darn it, Kate, you're gone, and I'll never stare back at the sky with the ground underneath me and your voice in my ears. Goodbye, dear Katie, goodbye. It was more than your music I loved, something special about the way that you were, like friends round the table and the sun going down through your music, your spirit and yours. And I hope you like the song, 'cause you know I didn't send you no flowers. You've always had your songs and I got some of mine, and now we got one that's ours. But you know I'd trade all of the songs I ever wrote for a friend who'd been put in the ground, though it's sad and funny all at the same time. Seems that trade just works the other way round. And gosh darn it, Kate, you're gone, and I'll never stare back at the sky with the ground underneath me and your voice in my ears. Goodbye, dear Katie, goodbye. With the ground underneath me and your voice in my ears. Goodbye, dear Katie, goodbye. Goodbye, dear Katie, goodbye.